Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to ServiceNow Interview Guide. In the series of ITSM interview question, today we discuss one important concept of service portfolio, service catalog, and business service. Okay, you already have discussed business service in the last video along with application service. Okay, but now there are some general questions which come to your mind where the IT team keep all these services. Okay, and where the user go and see and opt for all these services. So with these two questions, we have these two relations here, service portfolio and service catalog. So let's start. The objective is, obviously you understand these two concepts and the basic difference between these. People are generally confused between portfolio and catalog, but not anymore. Let's discuss with the basic definitions. What is service portfolio? It is the complete list of all services that an organization manages. It includes services that are live today, services that are planned for future in pipeline, as well as services that are retired or being phased out. Okay, so it is a kind of exhaustive list which include each and every services starting from zero, means starting from the very basic, from the very first service which the company has used and what they are going to use in future. Okay, it includes all the services. So why companies are doing this? So now we discuss what is the purpose of service portfolio. So service portfolio help business and IT decide which service to start, continue or stop by giving a complete view of all the services. Okay. So it is providing a big picture to the business teams, to the organizational top management. They can look into it, they can decide and see where they have to invest. So for all the decision making and all such purposes, we have this service portfolio available. Because once the business has all the detail of all these services, they are able to make a strategy, okay, and move forward. And this strategy will be 100% good because most of the time, because they have the complete picture, they have what they were using previously, what is currently they are using, and what capabilities they have to go in future. So that's why service portfolio is complete list of all the services. Okay, whereas service catalog is the menu of services the users can use which are currently active. Okay, so it is the menu of services for users. It shows services that are currently active and available to be requested. As simple as that. So the purpose of service catalog is different. It is kind of operational. Okay, because it is showing list of all the services which are currently being used or currently are available, active, and the users can request it on day-to-day operations. But service portfolio, it was a different case. So we can say that service catalog is a part of service portfolio. That is also good. Okay. Third is business service. So any of that active service is known as business service, which is directly being consumed by the users or customers. We already discussed this in the last video. I hope you know that. Some examples are email service, payroll service, online banking. All these are what? Business services. Okay, so a business service is one item in the service portfolio, yes. And when it is live, it is usually appearing in the service catalog as well. That's good. So basically, this is the table which I have created. Just pause the screen for a few seconds and then go through it. Very well explained. What I have explained at the top, what is it? It is a complete list. It is a menu of service active and available today. And business service, one specific service. Okay. Who is going to use it? Very important. Service portfolio being used by IT leadership, portfolio strategy and finance teams, because they are the parties who are available in decision making, purchase, strategy making. Whereas service catalog, end user, employee or service desk team simply for daily operations. Business team, business service, business user, product owner, IT. What it covers? It covers idea, live services and retired one. Only services that are currently live and offered. Rest you know that. Purpose? Decide what to start, change, invest or stop. Yes. Whereas purpose of catalog is help users to find easily the services and request the services. Deliver a clear business outcome is the purpose for business service, you know this. Now, simple example of a banking system. In banking, we have the business service as online retail banking, where the customer can log into it, see the balance, transfer money, and pay the bills. Whereas portfolio of the bank is online retail service. Yes, that is one which is live. Corporate retail service, that is also live. Next gen mobile banking, which is in pipeline, okay, or planned. Old internet banking, so that is already retired. So it is a complete big picture which is available as service portfolio. Service catalog is some services which are there in the service catalog, like reset online banking password, activate net banking, or enable international transaction. Okay, so as simple as that. So now again one example, you can pause the system, pause the screen and go through it. Okay, same example. I hope the difference is pretty much clear to you, and you will be able now to provide the difference between service portfolio and service catalog. What is the purpose of these two things? It is also very much important. So with this, I am concluding this video. Thank you so much. See you in next video.